Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So first, right here, click Start and select your language. From here you can connect to the mobile network, but I will skip that for now. Now we need to agree to end user license. And we have easy setup with another device. You can right here set up when you have another device, but I don't, so set up manually. From here you can choose the Wi-Fi network to connect to. We need to type in the password and connect. Okay, then next. Preparing for mobile connection. If you have SIM card, then you can insert it right now, but I don't, so skip. Getting your phone ready, and this may take a few minutes. Okay, now who are you setting this phone up for? For myself, you can also set it for your child. Now sign in to your Google right here, typing in the email, next, and then the password. Now, next we need to agree once again. Getting the account info. One account, any device just for you, sign in. To get started, you can right here sign in. And after signing in to the Samsung account, we have the following options to agree to terms and condition. You can turn all on offline finding, but it's optional. And then agree. Now, as you can see, we are signed in to the Samsung account. Copy apps and data. You can copy anything from your old phone. I don't have old phone, so I won't copy. Protect your phone. So here, select the unlocking option. I'll go with the pattern. Draw the pattern and confirm it. Okay, now Google services that we need to allow to. Now you can enable the backup. I won't. Choose your browser and search engine. For browser, I'll go with Google Chrome, set as default. And for engine, Google. Make Gemini your personal AI assistant. Press and hold the side button or go hands-free with your voice. Or you can talk things out with Gemini Live. Next, go hands-free with Hey Google. You can enable right here the Gemini. I will do it. So now, enhance your communication. We have call assistant, writing assistant, interpreter, unleash your productivity. We have a couple of options that the Google Galaxy AI can do. Just go next. The same thing with Bixby. We have the permissions for Bixby right here. Samsung services. You can right here select the services that you need or don't need and agree. Then select display mode. We have recommended apps that you can install automatically, so you can disable some and hit next. Taking care of your phone. You have the instructions of what to do and what to don't do with the folding phone. Then hit next. And you're all set up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.